Hi everybody, we will talk in this video about protein. What is the protein? The protein is composed of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Are single chain polymers made from monomers called amino acid. A condensation reaction forms a peptide bond and releases water. These 20 amino acids bind in different combinations to form many different proteins. Each of the 20 amino acids has a unique shape and chemistry. Some are hydrophobic. Hydrophobic amino acids have carbon-rich side chain which don't interact well with water. Some are hydrophilic. Hydrophilic or polar amino acids interact well with water. Some are charged. Charged amino acids interact with oppositely charged amino acids or other molecules. The protein structure divided into primary structure and secondary and tertiary and quaternary structure. Primary structure of protein is the linear sequence of amino acids and it's considered the backbone of protein. Secondary structure refers to local substructure such as helix and sheets which held together by hydrogen bond. Tertiary structure is the globular unit into which the amino acid chain folds, each unit held together by disulfide bridge and ionic bond. Quaternary structure describes the association between subunits. As example, hemoglobin has 4 subunits forming a tetramer. Proteins are classified into fibrous and globular protein. Let us study about them one by one. Fibrous protein are formed when polypeptide chain run parallel to each other and are linked together to form fibers. The molecules of these chains at many points are held together by hydrogen bond and disulfide bond. These proteins are insoluble in water. Some common examples of fibers are collagen and keratin. On the other hand, globular protein, due to the folding around of polypeptide chains, this gives us the spherical shape to the globular proteins. These proteins are soluble in water. Some examples of globular proteins are insulin and albumin.
We have many functions of proteins, some of them as we show. Number 1, hormone production. The protein help make some of our hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that travel through the body, coordinating complex processing that often involve interaction of several organs.
The next function is to build and maintain tissue. This is why the protein requirement is higher for growing children and athletes. The third function of protein is to make enzymes. Enzymes' function is catalysis, which means that they speed up the rate at which metabolic process and reaction occur. The next function is transportation. Transport proteins enable nutrients to go to the right tissue. The next function is as a source of energy. If you can consume more proteins than you need for body tissue maintenance. The next function is as a source of energy. If you can consume more proteins than you need for body tissue maintenance.